Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about important substances derived from amino acid. So, what is the amino acid? Amino acid is a organic substances. Organic substances. It containing the two functional groups. One is the COOH and the second one is the NH3. So, what is the COOH? Carboxylic acid. What is the NH3 or NH2? NH3 or NH2 or NH4. So amine functional group. So the amino acid, it is the organic substances. It containing the two functional group. One is the carboxylic acid, one is the amino acid functional groups. So these two functional groups depends upon these two functional groups. There some important substances are production from the amino acid. So our topic is the important substances derived from amino acid. One is the depends upon the carboxylic acid. So some substances are derived depends upon the carboxylic acid. Depends upon the carboxylic acid. What happened? And the next one is a depends upon the number 2 depends upon the amine group. Depends upon the amine group. Depends upon the carboxylic acid. So these first we discuss about the carboxylic acid. What happened? So in carboxylic acid it forms a first one is the salts. First reaction is the salts. The salts are produced from the amino acid, especially depends upon the carboxylic acid. Depends upon the carboxylic acid. For example, in the amino acid, carboxylic acid COOH react with the NaOH. Acid react with a base. Carboxylic acid react with a base. It gives the COONA, and the next one H2O is produces. So the Na is splitting into Na plus and OH minus. COOH is a COO minus and H plus. So in here COONA it to form COONA. This is called as a sodium salt. Sodium salt or carboxylic acid, sodium carboxylate, and the next one water is produces. So in here especially the salts are produced depends upon the carboxylic acid. The acid is react with a base, it produces the salts. This one is the first one reaction. And second one reaction, what is the second reaction? Depends upon the carboxylic acid. So second one is a decarboxylation. What is the decarboxylation? Means the elimination of the CO2 molecule. From the amino acid group. What is the amino acid group structure? C and CH2 COOH, and here amino group CCH, and NH2. This is called as amino acid structure. In this amino acid structure, elimination of the CO2 molecule. This is one is the CO2 molecule. The CO2 molecule is eliminated. It produces the R, CH2, NH2 produces. This is called as the amines. The amines also produced important biological. This is called as biological amine. The biological amine is produced depends upon the elimination of the CO2 from the carboxylic acid. This reaction is known as a decarboxylation reaction. The next one, reaction with ammonia. So what happened? The carboxylic acid react with ammonia. What happened in the body? For example, aspartic acid. The next one more amino acid is glutamic acid. Aspartic acid and glutamic acid, these two are amino acid react with ammonia. What happened in the body? Which type of products are produced from this reaction? So in case of aspartic acid react with ammonia, it produces the asparagine. It produces the asparagine. In case of glutamic acid react with ammonia, it produces the glutamine. So this is about important substance derived from the amino acid, especially depends upon the carboxylic acid. The next one depends upon the amino acid, or depends on the amine group in the amino acid. Which type of reactions are occurred? So second one is the amine. React with the amine. What happened in the body? Which type of reactions are produced from the amino acid? So in here also the amine group react with the acid. So amine is the base substances. NH3 react with the HCl, as this is called as base, this is called as acid. It produces the NH2Cl, and H2 gas is produces. Here also produce the salts. The base react with the HCl acid, it produces the salts. So the next one reaction is a reaction with the ninhydrin. So ninhydrin is the reagent. So what happened? Amino acid react with the ninhydrin reagent. So it produces the keto acids. Depends upon the color. It produces the keto acid. So reaction with the ninhydrin, what happened? Keto acids are produced in the body. The next one reaction is a transamination. What is the transamination? Transfer of amine group from the one compound to other compound. Transfer of amine group from one compound to other compound is known as a transamination. So in this transamination group is a transfer of amino acid or keto acid from the new amino acid, and the next one involved in the different reactions are involved in the transamination reaction. So the transamination, ninhydrin reaction and salts, these reactions are depends upon the amine group. In here reaction with ammonia, decarboxylation reaction, and the next one salts reaction depends upon the carboxylic acid. So this is a few examples for the important substances derived from the amino acid. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss later.